Have you ever played marbles? When you're kids, you play marbles. When you grow up a little bit, you start playing pocket marbles. But that's not the thing. Today, we're going to use soda goli to make our roti. So, not too much. And not only that, we're going to make some awesome Malai Gosht. Hello. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef. And today, first make Malai Gosht. Later, we're going to make soda goli roti. So, for making this Malai Gosht, I'm going to use the ghee. First, we're going to use whole garam masala. When the whole garam masala slowly fries in the ghee, it will give a nice fragrance. Now, in this, we're going to add sliced onion. Add salt and slowly saute. Just cook it for a minute, and in this we're going to add the mutton. And today I'm using the best of the best nalli mutton for making the Malai Gosht. When you make these kind of delicacies, bring the best meat and make it. And in this we're going to add milk, and we're going to cook this till the meat is nice and soft. Put the lid on and cook it for few whistles till the meat is nice and tender. For making this goli soda roti, I'm going to use the soda, but first I'm going to take some warm water. In this, I'm going to add yeast, a little bit of sugar. First, let this melt. Now, pour the soda. In this, add salt, add the flour, and make this into a soft dough. Now, the dough is nice, soft, and ready, and we're going to let it rest for 30 minutes. We're going to use the marbles, and I'm going to show you how to make this goli soda roti. The onions kind of cooked and mixed in this. In this, we're going to add some badam paste, and along with this, we're going to add some milk also. And in this, add badam paste. This badam will also give a very nice consistency to this. And in this, we're going to add a little bit of cardamom powder, add ginger garlic paste, little bit of nutmeg powder, and also you can add garlic. And when this garlic is cooked in this, it will be very nice and tasty. We're going to add a little bit of coriander powder, add some white pepper powder, add some green chilli, very finely chopped, add slices of almond. In this, add a little bit of fennel powder, and in this you can also add raisins. When we add the cream, this will turn into nice white consistency. For getting the marbles ready, I'm just going to take some butter. In this, add some herbs, also a little bit of salt. In this, I'm going to put the marbles. Now, these marbles will be coated with the herbs and the butter. So, these marbles we're going to put it on top of roti, and then we're going to put it in the oven. Take some flour on the table. The dough is also ready. For this roti, I'm just going to use half the quantity, slightly punch it and roll this into a thin sheet. Here is a tray full of marbles. We're going to spread the marbles. We're going to take the sheet and spread the thing. Underneath are the marbles. On top of this, we're going to add the marbles. These ones have the butter and the herbs. Randomly spread them across. Butter and everything will melt slowly, and that will give a very nice flavor for the roti. This soda goli roti will be nice and flavorful, and let's put it in a very hot oven. Let's cook this. In the meanwhile, I'm going to finish off the mutton curry. I'm just transferring everything into a kadai, and now look at the consistency. In this, first we're going to add the mint leaf, a little bit for flavoring, the malai, the cream. First, what we're going to do, we're going to do the method where we're going to add some of the gravy into the cream. This way, the cream will not be curdled. And in this, we're going to add the cream, and now we're going to have that nice malai effect. And the meat, if you really look at it, even though this is nice and tender, the color of the meat is still, slightly pinkish. We're going to put the lid on and put it on a very slow flame for 5 minutes and switch it off. Just move these marbles little by like this, and you will start seeing this nice goli effect on the roti. Look at the goli soda roti, nice and perfect, and wow, we have this beautiful, goli roti ready. I also have the Malai Gosht. Look at it, how beautiful and wonderful the meat is come out. We use the mutton Kareli meat, and this is what the real the gravy has to be really malai like this. After sit for some time, some of the ghee started floating on top, and this is perfect. And the roti is all nice and hot. Let's eat it. Tear the roti and dip in the thing along with this beautiful nalli and enjoy it. This silky gravy, you dip it in the nice malai mutton. The Goli soda roti is absolutely flavorful, and I know all of you are waiting to see if this meat is cooked. This is like smoking hot. The meat is perfectly cooked. Wow. This is just amazing. Make this and you will really enjoy the flavors. When you eat the good food, always keep saying, Vare Vah.